How's everybody doing? It's March 15th, Wednesday. Uh, had a big move down. Started last night, carried over into the New York session today. Um, we're looking at the pound dollar 1 hour to start with. There's a big sell off on it. Actually started, it should have got up in here on this trade. It'd been perfect to get that one right there, but even if you got this one or right there, let's see, how much is the risk? Not much, about $24 risk, and it's sold off, and now we're trying to get a little bit of a rebound on it right now. But there's nothing there to say to buy on pound dollar yet. Now we go to the euro Canadian dollar, same thing. It continued its sell off. It was in that. Anybody else that was in that, I hope you've took profit, adjusted your stop, as we've got a possible turnaround right here on the 1 hour, but not yet. Not yet. It's not a buy just yet. Even though that was a low risk when it poked down into here these two times, that would be the stop. It's not what I'm looking for on a buy yet. And that's on the euro CAD. The euro Australian dollar sold off and actually turned around this morning. Is in buy mode, but again, there's not a buy for me. There's not a buy yet. I need it to pull back down in here, somewhere down in here before I buy. There's the stop right there at that low. That's on the euro Australia dollar. The CAD yen looks like it's sold off as well. Done the same thing as the euro dollar, Australian dollar. Turned around, came down, sold off. It's gone back up. There's not a buy yet, not yet, but it's getting close for the Canadian yen. Hoping for some kind of pullback down in here for the buy. That's going to be the stop right there. The Australian dollar yen, 1 hour is next. Internet a little slow today for some reason. Duck must have fell off the treadmill, I guess. They're trying to get another one. Here we go. That's not the odd yen yet, though. It's there. Same thing, odd yen. Not a buy yet, not a buy. Even though it's taken off like that, it is not a buy yet. If it takes up out there and erases all that, so what? We'll look for something else. But if it's going to be a buy, I need it to come back down into here first. That's on the odd yen 1 hour. The pound Aussie 4 hours in sell mode. Hadn't really moved though down too much, but it has. We'll switch it to the 1 hour here. So we know the 4 hours in sell mode. See what the 1 hour looks like. I got a feeling some of that wick is gonna get retraced. And that could be a buy because it's going to push it way up there. It's been up there a third time. That doesn't look good. No man's land here. Nothing for me there. Nothing for me on the pound Aussie dollar on that trade. The pound CAD. That's in no man's land. It's been in sell-off mode, still in sell. There's no buy there yet on the pound CAD. So nothing to do on that one. So we go to the pound yen 1 hour. It's done the same thing as everything tied to the yen is done the same thing. Sold off, made a bottom, is going back up. If it's going to be a buy, I need a pullback somewhere in here for low risk trade. We just don't want it to run up there because it could, and then if it does that, it's back to no man's land. Don't want to do anything. That's the pound yen. The euro New Zealand dollar. All of these are looking the same way. See, they sold off, they've come down, they've turned up, started off a buy. There's not a buy for me there yet. Not for me. Even though it's kind of run up from the bottom this morning, there's no buy for me there yet on the euro New Zealand dollar. The pound New Zealand, this is 1 hour as well. Look at that, done nothing. No man's land, nothing to do there. No buys, no sells, nothing to do. Pound New Zealand, stay away. Nothing there yet. The New Zealand, see, same thing. Everything tied with the yen has done this exact same thing. The yen's gone down, and everything that was tied to it, whether it was odd, CAD, pound, now New Zealand, have all turned around. But there's no buy there yet. Not for me, not yet. No buy opportunity on the New Zealand yen. And then imagine the euro yen here, the last one we're looking at. It's going to be the same way. Yes, but actually it gave an opportunity right there. And you're long. That would be your stop now, not that one. That's your stop now. So I got to wait and see if there's a little bit of a pullback tonight in the Asia session to go long on the euro yen 1 hour. It looks pretty good. See what the 4 hour looks like. Okay, it started to. See, again, need a pullback. Need a pullback in here to lower the risk. That's why we want the pullback, to lower our risk. We don't want to put a buy trade up in here where we got 100 pip or more stop. You don't want that. So that's the euro yen. Have to look at that closer tonight. Need a pullback for a buy. And I believe that's all of them for today. Oh, the Aussie dollar. Didn't do the Aussie dollar. Oh, I had that get 15 minute. That was the Aussie dollar. 15 minute. I don't want that, even though it looks pretty good. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like on the Aussie dollar. Yep, that's looking like a buy. If you could pull back down in here a little bit, that'd make it a low risk trade, because that's your stop. Oh, it's now changed. Well, can't get that, can I? Come on. So the Aussie dollar is not made. It's been in sell mode. But it poked up to there. There was your sell opportunity. And you're still in it. Should be. Just move your stop down some. Don't get it too tight though, but make it to where if you've took profit already on half of it, that your second half is past the entry and is in profit. You want that second half to be in profit because of this down run. So we'll have to watch that in the Asian session tonight to see what it looks like. Well, that's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow on Thursday. Should be another good trading day. Hope everybody made some money. We'll see all you guys tomorrow.